Okay, alright. See, there is a problem with titration involving use of iodine. Stains everywhere. As you can see, washing it off becomes difficult. Even when you pour on your clothes, if it pours on your lab coat or your student's lab coat, how can you handle it? How do you remove it? Simple. The best way to remove the iodine stain is by, let's take a break. We'll be back.
If you are watching this video right now, go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you're a subscriber, please stay subscribed for more updates you get from Sir Majesty Easy World Science channel. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, welcome back. There are two ways you can use to remove iodine stains. One is by converting the iodine back to a soluble form of it, like you can convert it from the iodine to iodide ion. How do you do that? By reacting it to the same solution of sodium thiosulfate or a solution of potassium or sodium hydroxide. Yes, that will react with the iodine, taking it back to potassium or sodium iodide. And with that, we have removed the stain of iodine. What did I say? You use aqueous solution of sodium thiosulfate, which is here, or you use aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Whenever you drop it on any iodine stain, it takes it away by dissolving the iodine crystal back to iodide ion. It reduces the iodine, elemental iodine, to iodine ion. That's iodide ion, and that is soluble, of course, because of the fact that it's soluble. When it takes it down to the iodide, you know, pour with water, and the stain goes. So you can email us with easyworldscience@gmail.com. God bless you. Patronize us. We will help you in setting your laboratory also, in chemistry, physics, biology, and even your hospital equipment. Auto analyzers are available at the Easy World of Science. We cannot do without you. We value your patronage. Much love from me to you. See you. Or you can use the second method, is patient. Remember, iodine is volatile and sublime. So if it stains anywhere, even your hand, as you can see, it's not a funny thing and a little thing it has. You see my hand, it cannot just go like that. If you wash and wash and wash, the stain will still remain there. So you see this thing, if you wash with water, you can still see the iodine remain. Or if I see now, it is here, of course, I want to mess this thing now. Let's say I mistakenly mess around now. All of this, you see? Oh my God, you see? Washing will not remove it. So you can be patient for it to sublime, but this will take about a week, or let's say 4 days. It will sublime and go this way. But for you to remove this by washing now in any liquid, it's not going to be easy for you. So, but right now, if I want to remove it, I will just soak this into this solution of sodium thiosulfate. You see, it's cleaning it just like paper. Remember, it's not. You see, I'm using ordinary hand. It's not cleaning. So, but with this solution of sodium thiosulfate, it works magic. Just clean off the mess. Just rub off this. It becomes very neat again. It's allowing it to react with the iodine, converting it to iodide. So, if you have done this, what it means is that you have returned it back from the iodine element to iodide ion.
Good luck as you find your baby.
Thank you. Of course, it's nice. Baby is a source of joy, especially when it's the sex you want.